Are you a student looking for internships, scholarships, certificates, or government opportunities but don't know how to access them? Then AICT registration is something you must complete. Through the AICT portal, students can apply for internships, access student opportunities, participate in programs, and get updates related to academics and careers. In this video, I'll show you the complete AICT registration process step by step and also tell you how to use the portal to apply for internship and many other things. So make sure you watch the video till end. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Namrita and on this channel we talk about internship, tech updates, student opportunities, career guidance. So if you're a student who doesn't want to miss opportunities, make sure you subscribe right now and on the notification bell for latest updates. So you can just go through my videos and you can find many opportunities and you can also apply for those and also follow my social media handles for more. Let's see how to register in the portal. So you can just go to any browser and just type AICT National Internship Portal. Then you can see this portal, the first one maybe. So here you can see AICT National Portal. Click on that. We'll get this page. So here you can explore. You can see, you can find any internship or you can hire an intern. So to find an internship, you can just give the company name or internship name. So here you can search an internship like suppose you want to search like master artificial. So for example, I'm typing master artificial intelligence. So this is the internship. So here you can see, right? So this is the internship which I explained recently. So if you haven't registered it, go and register soon because the registration can close at any time.
So you can find out this video from my channel or I'll give the link in the description or you can find out from the I button right side.
So if you haven't registered for this internship, go and register as soon as possible because only limited seats are there for this. So just searching this, just click on search. So here you can see. In this way, you can find the internship. You can find both paid internships and unpaid internships. Okay. So now let's see how to register in this portal. So if you're new to this portal, you can just register. But if you already have the account, you can just log in. So here there are two processes. One is if you already have account in AICT portal, then you can just log in. Or if you don't have, you need to create. For creating, just click on register now. So from this two, select anyone. If you are affiliated to AICT, then click this. And if you are non-AICT, then click this one. To know whether you are AICT affiliated or not, just click here and check it. Here you can select year, state, program, like what program you are pursuing, and level, and your course name, university type, minority, women, and everything you can. And from here also you can select these name, address, and here you can search your institute name. Then you will find the details. Then you can just come back here and you can fill it. If you are non AICT, then you can enter by yourself like your institute name, college, institute, state, city, and then you can click I confirm the above details. And if you're AICTE affiliated, then just click this. And from here, you can select your college or institute name. You need to give your first name, middle name, last name. So first name is compulsory. These two are optional. Next, contact number, student ID. Student ID in the sense your roll number and upload ID card. And the size should be less than 3 MB. Your email, Aadhaar number. Because this is government approved, you need to give your Aadhaar number. Security question. Like you can select your security question and the answer for it. Gender, category, like what's your caste and all. Then last past course. Like suppose if you are currently pursuing BTech or like graduation, then what you need to select is 12th or diploma you need to select. And if you are pursuing 12th, you should select 10. Okay. Then academic percentage. Just write something like 90, 80. Don't include percentage symbol. Okay. Then password, then click on confirm password, then click on I'm not a robot, then click on register. And after registering, you can just click on login, click on student, click on confirm, give your mail ID and the password which you gave while registering. And then click on I'm not a robot, click on login. Okay, click on login. So you can just explore this website. You can see your profile here and you can fill all your details like name and your personal details, your qualification details, skills, training and placement officer details, languages and certification, reference letter, upload documents, work experience, area of interest and links. Here your like social media links, area of interest, work experience like in which organization you're working or worked. So and every detail is not necessary to fill. Just fill the details which are star marked. You can fill. So for example, you can see course star mark, right? Fill that details. And if something is optional like this, like there are no star marks here, you can just leave those. No problem. Okay. So in the sidebar, you can see assessment test, application management, like for how many internships you have applied, how many you got interviews and all, you can check here. And for private internships, you can search private internships here, government internships, NHAI internships, and many more problem statements also you can find here. And you can click on edit here and you can update your details from here. Okay. After filling this page, just click on save. And from here, you can switch to like personal detail, qualification, skills, and related things. You can fill all the details and also you can upload your photo here. Okay. And for upload to upload documents, you can just click on choose file and you can just upload it. Click on upload. Okay. And you can click on view to upload. And you can click on view to view it. And you need to upload your college ID card, covering letter. This is optional. And transcripts means your mark sheets. And you must upload a single merged PDF file containing all your academic documents like 10, 12, graduation, mark sheet, degrees. You can just choose file and upload it. And here, government ID proof means your Aadhaar card you need to upload and click on upload here. Okay, this is the process of uploading the documents. So you need to fill all your details like personal details, qualification, skills, and many more things you need to fill. Then only you will be able to apply for the internship. Applying for any internship, make sure you're checking your mails regularly and even check this website regularly for the status like selected or called for interviews. And after application, after few days or few weeks, they will send you mail regarding this if you are shortlisted only. And they will also call you for interview. So get ready for it. Get your resume ready.
I already uploaded video on how to make resume. I will just give the link in the description or in the I button check.
For it. And after you get shortlisted for AICTE internship, you can watch this video. I'll pin it. I'll give it in the description. You can check out this video also, like what will be the process after getting shortlisted. You can watch this video. So if you have any doubts regarding this video or any other videos from my channel, or you have any doubts regarding the registration process, just let me know in the comment box. I'll surely reply to everyone. And make sure you subscribe to the channel to never miss any updates about tech, internship, jobs or certifications. And also do like, hype and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. So see you in next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.